All right, I'm about to plant a red delicious apple tree. Now, some time ago, I posted that I got 2 Reliance peach trees. One of the trees didn't do anything, and it seems like this one isn't because I scratched it, it had green on it, I thought it was gonna do something. Maybe it will. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the Reliance peach tree out of the ground, and in that hole, I'm gonna put this red delicious apple tree. Got it at a good price at Lowe's, and this is one that's gonna go on the ground. So I just wanted to show you how I do it. First, let's get this peach tree that's not doing anything out the ground first. Go around. Yeah, right fast. Don't have many roots, but there it is. I'm going to put some fertilizer around it. I'm going to plant it in the pot that the tree is. Just finish taking this out. Might have some compost still down here. But I will put this. This tree. The soil is nice and moist. Some nice rain for the past 2 days. Don't seem like it's gonna be much that I need to do. Has so much. I can even smell the compost. Oh, there's the compost that I put in there. So here's the deep hole. I'm gonna put that compost back in there. And eventually I want this stuff to nourish. So I think I'll put some of the black cow in there as well. Some of this black cow. So like light manure. That's 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. We'll increase with that compost in there. Now it rained today, so I got me a nice full big pot of rainwater. Best kind of water to use for your plants. Pour that down inside here. The good thing about this water going in there now is it rainwater, but this water is going to loosen the soil up so it can give the roots to this tree to find nutrients in the soil and expand, as well as give it the hydration it needs. So I'm going to use this pot for the plants. So carefully take this tree. I want the bag in there. The same stuff it has in it. I'm gonna tease its roots a little bit. These roots are nice and tough. Drop it in there. And it's soak. And it's soak. While it's doing that, I need that break right there. Grab this rake. So let it soak for a minute. Apparently the hole is deeper than necessary. So, oh, I didn't kill that watermelon plant. So I'm gonna drop some of this soil in here so it can go down and also soak up some of the water. Also see I got some chicken fertilizer in there as well. I can even smell it. A little bit. I'm gonna soak down in. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now, continue to put all of this soil that came out of there originally. Just backfill inside of here. Got some over here too. Let's see, there you go. Now you're standing on your own. Let me grab it. Glass in here. What's that? Just bag out the way. Some more backfill. A lot of times, other folks are afraid to tamp down on this, but make sure you put tamp down on it so you know you have a solid. Just this around it. See some of that green stuff is that slow release fertilizer. Ground movement, all that moisture means that along with that moisture and all this dirt, the roots will have room to move, search for those nutrients. Continue to nip this tree because it's water. It's supposed to rain for another 2 days. So we'll get some more moisture so that the moisture is retained. Put some fertilizer, not some fertilizer, mulch. This out the way, because that's just getting destroyed. All right, that's his end. Delicious apple. Delicious apple tree. We'll get full sun. Get a lot of sun in the morning. It comes over here. Some evening sun. Although there's no sun on it right now because it's later in the evening. But before you know it, this tree will be yielding some nice, delicious apples. That's planting the apple tree in the garden. Thank you for watching.